Hey, hello. Welcome everyone to the first part of the series of sessions on CXO's Guide to Microservices Paradigm. So today's topic is about, is your microservices migration really worth it? So this is the first part of the webinar series. And this is Lalit. So I work as an assistant marketing manager at Aspire Systems. So I have with me my senior colleagues, Jothi, principal architect. Jothi has exclusively architected more than 50 plus SaaS solutions across the various domains. She provides strategic and technical direction, helping customers move up the value chain by delivering innovative, scalable, out-of-the-box SaaS solutions. And also I have with me Chandramouli Parasuraman. Chandramouli is a technical architect at Aspire Systems, focusing primarily on open source, cloud, and mobile technologies. He has over 18 years of experience in IT industry and has performed various roles that covers complete software development lifecycle. So before we start, I'd like to give you a brief intro about Aspire Systems. So we are 3,000 plus employees, and we have about 150 plus active customers worldwide, and we are primarily focused on product engineering. So we specialize in building products and getting them to an MVP stage and beyond. So we have an expertise on digital services, testing, infra application support, integration, and Oracle ERP implementations. So we have a growing presence in the US, Europe, APAC, and Middle East. And we are CMMI level 3 certified and ISO 27001 certified. And we are great places to work institutes, best place to work about for the 9 consecutive times in a row. So this is one of the awards that we have received for 9 consecutive times. And that, I think, gives you a pretty good idea of what Aspire Systems is all about. So moving forward, quick overview about today's session. So as it clearly states, this webinar is for decision makers and influencers to objectively assess if their organization should move to microservices or not. So if you're planning to move to microservices, or if you're unsure whether microservices is a make or break factor for your business, this webinar is for you. So before I let Jothi and Mauli take over, I'd like to thank you all for joining the session. So over to you, Jothi.
Thanks, Lalit. Okay. Welcome everybody. So if you are either building applications or maintaining them, you would have definitely contemplated on using microservices or already be using it, right? This webinar series, as Lalit mentioned, is targeted for those who are unsure if microservices migration is the right choice for them, and if it is, guidance